ZipMex had a good article talking about the different types of staple coins, and I think this would be really interesting for you to know about because what happened to Terra Luna back in May of 2022 when it basically collapsed. And there are two main staple coins that I wanted to talk about. These are the two biggest, and one is actually quite a bit more solid and more transparent than the other. But the one that is the least transparent is actually the one that's used more often, which is kind of unusual. But I think the one reason is a lot of people just don't know the differences in these. But this is basically all you need to know about what's called USDT, which is US dollar tether, and USDC, which is US dollar coin. Also, folks, if you want to legally get your income taxes to zero or how to get a second passport as quick as 45 days, do three things. Hit the subscribe button at the right of your screen right here and you get new videos automatically as they come out. And I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, put it below. And again, if you want more information, go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, and just ask for some help. All right, now USDC and USDT are cryptocurrencies. They're backed by the same amount of fiat currency, US dollar. They are staple coins designed to reduce crypto volatility. The value of money changes constantly, and one of the change factors is the financial policy of each country. For example, decisions of the Bank of Thailand regarding interest rates affect how strong the Thai-based currency is. International businesses are usually the most impacted when the currency gets stronger or weaker. Now, whether it's the factory that needs to buy supplies from abroad to sell in their own country or export business, currency rates directly affect their profit. Now, because of the change, many investors choose to invest in foreign currency expecting profit when the currency gets weaker or stronger. But there are still some challenges. Instead, many people choose to invest in staple coins such as the US dollar tether or US dollar coin, another less volatile digital currency that you can trade 24 hours a day. Now, let's look at these two and kind of look at the differences and kind of give you a comparison of the two. Now, US dollar tether and US dollar coin are staple coins that are pegged one-to-one to fiat US dollar currency. Cryptocurrencies are infamously known for their high volatility, at least relative to traditional markets. And USDT and USDC were created to solve that problem by allowing traders to trade into a safe harbor type manner without having to leave the crypto ecosystem. Now, USDT and USDC are functional and the same in concept. Each unit of USDT and USDC should be backed by US dollar in one-to-one ratio. However, they are issued by different entities, meaning that the nature of the reserves, the US dollar held to back the tokens, have different compositions. To give you an example, USDT and USDC are used as pairings for various cryptocurrencies depending on the exchange. However, generally USDT is more widely adopted for trading and payments, while USDC is known for its safety and being more regulatory compliant. Now, what is USDT? Of course, this is US dollar tether. It's a type of blockchain-based cryptocurrency. It's backed by the same US dollar amount. It is managed by the Hong Kong-based company Tether. Every time there's one new USDT, Tether will save the $1 US in savings account. So investors that hold USDT can always change back to US dollars. Now, the two seem to be pretty much the same, but the difference is basically on the way they're actually regulated, this is where a lot of people get confused, and it can make you make a wrong decision on this, because the thing you want to be looking at if you're looking at a stable coin is which one is going to be there 5-10 years down the road. And because a lot of people do keep a lot of money in these stable coins, and you don't have to worry about it being go down to nothing. But the US dollar tether is one of the most popular staple coins. As of the 11th of July 2021, it's got 62 billion market capitalization. The only two cryptocurrencies with a higher market are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, what are the benefits of US dollar tether? Well, Tether, the company, will make more tokens and put US dollar in savings amount with crypto exchanges' demand of US dollar Tether as a crypto pairing. Now, the USDT allows investors to trade between US dollars and other cryptocurrencies more easily, since everyone's already familiar with the US dollar. They can analyze the market and understand price trends with less effort than trading with normal cryptocurrencies. Now, having US dollar Tether in your portfolio also helps make it a lot more stable when the crypto market fluctuates. You can switch, from holding other digital currencies to holding USDT instead without, withdrawing your fund to a fiat amount. Now, what does the amount of US dollar Tether in circulation tell you? Well, when big institutions such as banks want to invest in digital assets, they usually change from one fiat US dollar to US dollar T before buying other currencies. So if you want to see much higher USDT in circulation in a short period, it might mean that there's about to be a significant demand for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Now, what is USDC, which is, of course, a US dollar coin? It's one of the staple coins that was launched in 2018 by one of the most well-known digital asset exchanges, Coinbase and Circle Internet Financial. USDC is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain using US dollars to back its value 1-to-1. Every USDC in the market means a dollar is saved is saved in an audited bank account. Now, this is the big key right here that you don't see with US dollar Tether. Is the audit rate. That's the big key that you want to look at. And it's not USDC is a lot more transparent, and it's audited a lot more. USDC is one of the most popular digital tokens. The market cap as of July 2021 is $26 billion, which is the second biggest of the stablecoin market, only below US dollar Tether. As of spring of 2022, one of New York's most established investment banks, BNY Mellon, will be the main custodian for USDC reserves, according to Coinbase. Now, what are stablecoins? Stablecoins are kind of cryptocurrency with a more stable value that uses other assets to back its value, such as fiat currency, commodities, and other cryptocurrencies. Besides choosing the asset to back the token, you also need to look at the back asset ratio. For example, USDT uses the US dollar in a 1-to-1 ratio. The value of a stablecoin will change depending on its backed assets. USDT and USDC are both stablecoins that use the US dollar as a backed asset, 1-to-1 ratio. All right, now, what are the benefits of using a stablecoin? Most of you already know, number one is it holds the value since the stablecoin's price is stable. It's supposed to be, but you saw what happened with Terra Luna back in May of this year. It wasn't, it collapsed, totally collapsed. And number two is, it's supposed to be transparent by blockchain design. And number three is transfer money across borders quickly and easily without any middleman or worries about operation times in each time zone. Now, the big key is the differences between these, in a nutshell, is the USD savings inspection of USDT versus USDC there is a big difference. That's the big key. And that is that USDT accounts are inspected by Freya, Sporkin, and Sullivan LLP. But it's not known how often these accounts are audited. This is the big drawback to it, which raises some concerns among investors, especially with what happened with Terra Luna. USDC is inspected by Grant Thornton, one of the world's top 5 consulting and accounting audit companies. The US dollar savings account is checked every month and is announced on the Circle website. And this is the big thing that I like about USDC is it is audited every month, which you don't have that with Tether. And this is the biggest problem with that. Anyway, folks, if you want to learn more on this, go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, and just ask for some help. And again, if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button at the right of your screen right here, and you get new videos automatically as they come out. And I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, put it below, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Take care.